How to make audio public on Roblox 2023. Hi guys, in this video I'll teach you how to make audio public on Roblox 2023. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So what you need to do is first log into your Roblox account, and after that click on create right here. So let's click on it, and then this will open this page right here, so let's just wait for it. Let's click on start creating right here. And then this will check for Roblox Studio, so let's click on cancel right here, and you can actually open this studio. So from in there you can click on your dashboard, and then you can see your dashboard in here. So what you need to do is click on creations, click on development items, and then click on audio right here. You can see in here that you can upload an asset. It must be MP3 or OGG, and the max size per file should be 20 MB. So right now let's upload a file by clicking this upload asset, and then let's use this asset type photo. You can choose the name, so for example come inside, and then you can add in a description, audio for music, and then you can upload. So let's click on upload right here, and then let's add this right here, and we can upload this MP3. You can click on upload right here, and it should be able to upload our music to Roblox. So let's just wait for it to upload, and then after that you should be able to make this public. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to make audio public on Roblox. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.